Oh, geez, there's a pretty nice fish there, Sammy. Check him out. That's a pretty good one there. I haven't seen him yet, but he feels like a good one. Whoa, whoa! Get away from there, you son of a gun! Look at that fish. He's just fighting to get underneath that stick over there. Look at that. He's just driving to get down behind something. That's a pretty nice rainbow there, Sammy. Heavy. 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 There you go, Sammy. There's a fish. Beautiful shiny rainbow, Sammy. I think he's going to go away. He's a nice heavy fish, though, Sammy. Look at the width on that guy. Beautiful fish.